I am the Wicked Witch of the West. Hello everyone! Hello! Welcome back to Mench's Art and Hobbies. This is my Halloween special. Now is the 31st of October and we are celebrating Halloween here in Canada. Halloween is a big thing here. There's a lot of costume parties, wearing your costume like this, it's putting some makeup, and for the kids, trick or treat is very important to them. They get a lot of candies and they enjoy it so much. So come guys and join me in my special episode of Halloween in Canada. Well, according to history, Halloween started in Ireland during the time of the Celtic people, and they say it's a celebration of their harvest or during their feast of the harvest time. But some people also say that it's something about religion. But anyway, the Western countries are celebrating and still doing this tradition as of now. Here in Canada, it's more of trick or treating with the kids, with the parents. And it's also a costume party or just a celebration with friends and family. So Halloween is big thing here in Canada. Every year they really celebrate. Houses are decorated with lots of ornaments about Halloween, and some are really putting their effort so much in decorating their houses. Some are really having a big party, but most of all, the most enjoyable part of it is when the kids come to your house saying trick or treat and you give them their treat. Candies, most of all, candies and snacks and goodies, and that's what make these kids happy. Happy Halloween everyone. I hope you watched my full video of this special. Hello there. I'm decorating for the Halloween. I'll just stick this here. In a few hours from now, the kids will be coming to knock and do their trick or treating. So they will come only to houses with Halloween decorations. And we have a few candies and some goodies for them. We do it every year, every Halloween. So we need to put our decorations so that they would come to our house. Okay, this is my skeleton. I have two of them. I'm gonna hang it there. Whoops! I hope I will not fall. Good. Skeleton. Let me just get up. Good. You turn on the lights. There's a light inside? Yeah. I am the Wicked Witch of the West. In pursuant to the Children's Privacy Act of Canada, I will not be able to show the faces of the kids that will come to my house for the trick or treat. I might also blur some of their faces.
Happy Halloween! Can I see your bag? You want another one? Thank you for coming! Happy Halloween!
Yeah, that's fine.
Wow.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween, guys!
Thank you, thank you.
You're welcome! Happy
See, ang pa rin.
Halloween! Okay, thank you for coming! Hello mga kababayan! Okay, trick or treat! Happy Halloween, guys!
Thank you.
Oh, I like this one. It's a bucket, just like
We did it more
mine.
than everyone else.
Yeah, I hope you fill it up, okay?
Oh, yes!
Happy Halloween!
Thank you.
You're welcome. Happy Halloween.
Thank you. Happy Halloween.
Thank you, Claire. Napasubsob po. Napasagap ang pagkain.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, may habol, may habol. Oh, nakakatakot dito man. Nakakatakot.
Oh, you're crying. Happy Halloween, Claire. Happy Halloween. Cleopatra. Cleopatra. And I am the witch. I'm the witch of the West Toronto.
We have food because it's my birthday and Shello's birthday.
Happy birthday!